Good morning. Back to the Pottle world. Here we go. Let me put my glass wands away. They should be getting pretty cold by the time I'm done washing my face. Bam. Okay. Yeah. Got some spots. Pottle. Let's do this. Cool wands. Open. Mask. Nice. Not a lot in there, but I need to save some. Add with my fingertips? I don't think so. Alright, let's do this thing. Top off. Take the nitty cap off. And let's get started. Remove beads. Oops. Okay. My mask. Get all that I got out of there. Okay. Alright, come on. Alright, I'm not going to use a lot because I want to use it a couple of times. Alright. Cool. Alright. Alright. Yes, hyaluronic acid for these spots. Only about 2 droplets. Well, that should be enough. Okay. Let's mix this thing up. Alright. Cold wand. Let's mix. Alright. Let's do this thing. Pull back this hair. Excuse me, it is just a crochet. Stop it. Just put a little soap on the face. Yeah, I'm that type. I just put on the inside the soap. I don't really care. I just need to get the oils off my skin for my mask. Alright, here we go. Pat dry. Alright, now my pores are at least open. Alright, that's my little head thingy. Yeah, wake up. Okay. Alright. Let's tie this head back. I miss my head wraps, seriously. There was never anything in my face, but maybe that's why I have the breakouts. Who knows? Alright. Anyway, let's move ahead. Okay. Alright. So, we're using the cold wand to add to our face. We are not going to waste any mask because it's on the wand, and wand can just apply everything to our face. Yes, I know it says apply with your fingertips, but I don't want to do that because that means I'm going to waste some. Of course, it's going to be all over my hands, and I don't want that. So I want to use my mask a couple of times. I want to apply it with a cold wand. I like it, and I know I can get everything evenly and nice. All right. Yep, hit the nose. That's right. Oh, that's right. Make sure you get the bell pepper. Great. Okay. So, stop down. All right. We're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes, like it says. And that's right. Get everything off the wand. Ta-da! Nothing on my hands, nothing on the wand. See? All right. So, let's wipe all this up and put it in the little pot so we can save it. Take the brush out, and let's just save it like that. We don't need the brush because we're not doing nails. We're doing skincare. See, look at that. There's nothing on the wand. Perfect. No waste and no mess. Ta-da! Yay! And wipe off and clean. That's right. That's it. All right. Mask done. All right. It's been 10 minutes. Let's take this thing off. My face is feeling a bit better. I feel a little bit more revitalized. Of course, I'm just like my mother, so I always miss spots. All right. Let's just get all the stuff off. I feel a little bit more revitalized, but gotta get all the crevices. All right. All right. Well, it's a mask, so my face is feeling a little dry. Let's do the next one. All right, so let's make a little face oil. What do you think? Let's do it. Take the balls out, like last time. You don't need them. Okay. What else do we need? Olive oil. And, coconut oil? Yeah. Yes. Yep, I was going to spill that. And then more hydrochloric acid for these spots. Ta-da! Perfect. All right, let's mix this thing up. All right. It's good. My own little mixture. Hey, there you go. An applicator. All right, pull out some ice. Let's lay the glass rod in the ice for a little bit. Take it out. It's going to be great for applying. It's going to feel so good. Yes. Okay. Look at my ashy face. Yes. All right, it's time. It's time to get that's right. Trying to get all that in there. Get every surface. Get under those eyes. With the cold wand, it feels so nice. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, massage those lymph nodes. Yes, girl. Yes, yes, yes. All right, put it in there. Make sure you applicate it. That's right. Ta-da! Let's massage it in. Feeling good. Okay, I think I'm ready for my day. I feel good. Resurface face. Let me add a little oil to my lips. Yes. Perfect. All right, I feel like I'm done. All right, fluff out hair. And I think I'm ready for my day. What do you think? Bye, y'all.